Hi, this is Nick from GPS, and this is my 3 daughters, and I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi, this is Russell from GPS Renting. I wish everyone's Christmas and New Year is filled with peace, happiness, and lots of love.
Hi, this is Ida Hopdeggs, the Senior Leasing Manager at GPS Renting. May the blessings of peace, the spirit of love, the beauty of hope bring you joy this holiday season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi, this is Lisa Chambers with GPS Renting, Care Coordinator, wishing you peace, joy, and prosperity for your Christmas season and the coming new year in 2021. Have a great holiday season.
Hi, this is Brian with GPS Renting, wishing you a healthy and prosperous new year, and of course, Merry Christmas.
Hi, this is Nikki with GPS Renting. I'm wishing you all a wonderful Christmas and a prosperous new year. Happy holidays.
It's Drew from GPS Renting, wishing you all happy holidays.
Hello everyone, this is Eva from GPS. Wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Hello everyone, I'm Carol from GPS. I wish all of you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Stay safe.
Hello everyone, this is Helen from GPS Property. We will have a better new year, a better 2021.
Hello, this is Brian from GPS. I'm here to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.